question, you know the expression for FA, for FB and FC, and you also know that the object is in equilibrium, which means that the resultant of these forces, so the sum of all three forces, is 0. So now we can add all the terms together, so 7i plus 9 minus 9j plus 5i plus 6j plus mi plus nj is 0. And we need to find m and n. So now we separate the terms with I and separate the terms with j, and now we find that m is 12 minus 12 and that n is 3. Forgot to mention that all the terms with I have to be 0 and all the terms with j have to be 0, because you can't add terms with a together with terms with j. So that means that they separately have to be 0 for them all to be 0, if that makes sense. And now R is 7i minus 9j plus 5i plus 6j, which is 12i minus 3j, which is the resultant of these forces. So now the magnitude is square root of the coefficient of I plus the square of the coefficient of j. So the magnitude is square root of 12 squared plus minus 3 squared, and this gives 12.4 kilograms per meter squared. And now to find the angle between R and J, we know that tangent of x is 3/12 from the right angled triangle. So this means that x is 14 degrees. So now the angle between R and J is 90 plus 14. Don't forget to add the right angle. So the angle between R and J is 90 plus 14, which gives 104 degrees.